Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'm so excited, we are gonna do a first impression with the ABH Nouveau, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so in today's video we are gonna test the ABH Nouveau palette and I'm so excited. I will list everything that I have on my face down below. I'm using the Natasha Denona's eyeshadow base because I know how that one works. The palette retails for $55, or at least I paid $55 for it. I did order it from Sephora Romania and I ordered it today actually, and I got it today, which is impressive. And yeah, so this is how the palette looks. This is the box and I'm gonna show you the back as well if you need to pause and read the ingredients or something like that. This is a 12 pan palette and this is how it looks. I'm very excited to use this one. So let's swatch this palette. We have first Wings, then Isle and Belle, the three first shades, and are these three. They look very nice. Then we have Wisteria, which is the purple, Lily, which is another pinky goldy shade, and this one looks very nice. And then we have Hope, which is the green shimmery shade. So these are the three next shades. That one was the first row. Then we have Paloma, which is the cream shade, Fleur, which is the nude shade, and Liberty, which is the army green, and it looks really nice. Let me show you. I was already swatching it. The matte seems very creamy, so already from swatches this palette looks very good. Then the last three shades are Peacock, which is the duochrome, Metro, which is an orange, and the darker shade is called Muse, and it's this one in here. Okay, so these are the swatches. They look really nice in my opinion, and this last dark color is a more satiny shade, so I think it will work great as an outer corner darker shade. Okay, I zoomed you in even more, and let's blend this eye primer, and I actually will apply just a tiny bit more just because the other layer was already dry. So what I'm gonna do is start with this shade and then intensify the look with this Muse shade, this into the crease and into the outer edge, and I'm gonna put Wisteria in here in the inner part, and then we are gonna put Peacock on the lid. I want to use as many shades as possible, so let's start with the orange shade, and I'm taking an E25 from Sigma, and this brush is not dirty, but it's stained. I have some kick up in the pan, but it's totally fine. Wow, this is so pigmented, but it seems so creamy. I really like it. This orange is so beautiful, I really like it. I'm gonna take another brush and the shade that I can't really pronounce, Fleur. I think it's flower in French, but I took 4 years of French, if you can believe that. And I'm just blending a bit the edges with this other shade. Oh, and I forgot to do the other eye. I'm so excited that I forgot that I have 2 eyelids. Okay, and I'm gonna take this brush and the creamy matte shade, and I will just highlight the brow bone a bit, just to clean the edges. This seems very pigmented as well. Okay, so we have something like this for now, very neutral, but let's add the purple. I'm taking a Beauty Bay brush and I'm gonna put it right here. And I want this purple to be pretty pigmented, so I will tap in here, not blend too much. Now I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm gonna use the shade Muse, and we are gonna put it in here. And I hope I'm not getting a lot of fallout, but usually these kind of shades have a bit of fallout, which is totally fine. This looks really good, so you can for sure use this shade as a dark matte. I put just a bit of the Muse shade on the lower lash just to blend the lid with the lower lash, and now I'm taking Liberty, the army green, and I'm gonna put that on the lower lash as well, in here. Okay, so I'm gonna take my finger and put Peacock in the outer edge in here. Oh, look at this shade, it's so stunning. I really like it. And this works very well with an orange crease and with a purple crease as well, so this is made for these mattes. And I'm gonna take Lily as well and put that on the rest of the lid. Oh, this shade is so beautiful. I do have some fallout, so next time I'm gonna put some powder under the eyes. I usually do that, but for some reason today I wanted the fallout. Yeah, so it has a bit of fallout. All palettes have, and I have some keycap in the pan, but usually great creamy mattes and pigmented mattes usually have a bit of keycap, so it's totally fine. It's my fault that I didn't put any powder under the eyes, or that I didn't do my eyes first, but so far I really like this palette and I really like this look. Okay, and the last two shades, I'm gonna put this Hope shade on the lower lash, and then I'm gonna put this one in the inner corner. Okay, so this is the look. I really like these shadows, they perform very nicely. So I'm gonna apply some mascara and some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look with the ABH Nouveau palette, and I really like it. The mattes are pretty creamy, very easy to blend out, pigmented, blendable, buildable, so really good mattes. I really like them. The shimmers are very beautiful as well, but for sure next time I'm gonna use some powder under the eyes and I'm gonna spray these shimmers just to make my life easier. I did say in January that the first 12-14 palette that ABH is releasing, I'm buying it, so I kept my promise, and this is very beautiful. I really like the color story, so I'm very happy with it, and the quality seems very nice. Of course, I'm gonna use this one a lot more times and I'm gonna include it in a speed review, but so far it's a very good palette. Okay, so this was everything. I hope this video was helpful, and if you like it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.